Angelo, you are the love of my life, my soulmate, my best friend. Can't imagine life without you. Will you marry me?
It's so fucking beautiful. Oh, it even fits on my sausage fingers.
Yay!